Hey guys, and today we're going to be unboxing an LOL surprise. And you see it's already unboxed a little bit. That's because I couldn't help myself because I love LOLs. Let's figure out a way to put this somewhere where I'll get it to this thingy. Okay, so let me get it to okay, there we go. So I got the LOL today, and I'm gonna unbox. Let's look at the clue. Boy, what is this? What the heck is this? I don't know, but I don't know. Let's leave it that behind because we're gonna figure out what the LOL is soon. There's nothing over here. And ooh, this is soccer style. Soccer, baby. Holy moly, guacamole! Did you see that? And here's the water bottle. Here is ooh, look at this, so pretty. I got the we got a cone. Let's see what our doll is. Oh, look at that! Ta-da! I wonder what this thing is. I think it just might be to hold the circle. See what this is? We got our shoes. First, let's put our dress on. Wait, this isn't a dress. This is a skirt and a shirt. I can't put it on. Oh my god. I'll put on the shirt first and we'll put that on later. Either way, we got this doll and it is super cute. And over here we got headband. And what's this? I don't know. Oh! So it looks like we got the cover. We got the LOL doll on the cover of the thing. On the LOL thing. So her team is Pink Lightning and her name is Foxy. Pretty cool name. Okay, she got some hand wrists. I don't know what exactly they're called. And I think that's it. So we're gonna dress her up here. And I'm gonna pause until I do that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, everyone, I dressed her up. And this is what she looks like. She is the thing on the front. And I told my mom that it was definitely not the one on the front at the shop, but it is. I regret saying that a lot. But I just wonder what this cone is for. I don't know. And let's put this together and wait, let me see. What is okay, I think I figured it out. Okay, we got one of her shoes fell off. I'm gonna put it on real quick. There. And where's that stinking card go? Where'd that card go? Oh, right here. And we're gonna do this and put on. Ta-da! Ooh. Ta-da! And at the back of the card, it shows her team. And oh, there's nothing. So their team name is Pink Lightning, and the other team is Teal Rockets. Well, I guess they're battling each other. But this was really fun. I love when I get a new LOL. But this is the end of this video because this is what she looked. Why does she keep falling off? Ugh, and the card fell off too. There. Now that's how she looks like. Okay, fine. Okay, good. She fell off, but that was okay. I unboxed the LOL and it was good. So, bye.